Hey traders, welcome to WeTrade Wave's weekly Forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. And below is what you will get in our upgraded service. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to WeTrade Wave's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. Before we start with DXY, a lot of tips and hints guys will be covered which will help you with your trading. All what you have to do is to keep watching till the end, take notes, and try to understand the structures behind our forecasts. So first tip for today, in forex trading, you have to be selective and not addicted to click trades. This guys is very important. For this one, all of you know we are in a downtrend within this wave, and market is still extending this down wave. Yes, we were expecting an up move from here to be corrective structure. Market gave us a small corrective structure, it gave us another drop. And then from here, we've got another up wave, correction, up, another drop. Are we selling this one? No. Did we bought this one? Also no. And the trades of the weeks, guys, are covered on our Sunday session. Most of you know that. And in the last 3 weeks, the trades were going amazing. So, coming back to this one, market is still extending this down wave. So being selective is very important. Are we getting a change of structure? Also not. In this one, anytime market will give us a buy setup, we will go for the buy setup. Alright? If you made money guys from other trades, do not look for every pair to jump in. Make profits, enjoy them, take a break, and then you come back. So until and unless we see our buy setups here, we will not jump in. Your job is not to pick tops and bottoms. Your job is to trade the next move. So, for this one, we are still expecting DXY to move up. And this up wave, it will be corrective. This means up, correction, up, possible corrective structure here, another up wave. And this corrective structure, it might be more complex than you think. Are we able to identify when this wave will be finished? Yes. Are we able to trade this up wave exactly from the start of it? Also yes. And this is guys what we teach. Alright? Regarding the bias, we are biased to the upside. And this trade, it might not be ready next week. So if this will crawl down, corrective structure, another down wave, it might be ready the week after. So more details regarding the structures here that might perform will be covered by T on Sunday. Is that clear? If market will keep pushing down, let it go without us. And this is how you should build your mindset. Like I said guys, a lot of tips will be covered in this video. Take notes and focus on them. Now, regarding our upgraded subscription service, you will be getting in-depth analysis of the market on Sunday as live sessions, where we go through the charts in detail, and also we will show you the trades of the week which we think are ready to go. The session will be recorded and the recording will be available for 7 days. A midweek review analysis email will be sent out on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to subscribe, all the details are on our website homepage. Euro dollar for this one, after this up wave, market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. And here, our midweek review email was sent. And if you remember, there was news exactly here. And the majority of financial analysts were expecting euro to go up. Exactly from here, we said we are still bearish for euro. We took a sell and we made decent profits only with this small down wave. So understanding market structures is very important for you to get in the trade and get out. Alright? If you will not make profits, your worst case scenario, it should be break even in this wave. Now, after this corrective structure, market went up. What next? We will be looking for our sell setups again. One more time, we will look for sell setups. Is this the top of this down wave? No one will know that. So picking tops and bottoms in this market is very dangerous. Are we able to trade this one if market give us a setup? Yes. Do we have strategies to trade this down wave? Yes, we do have strategies to get in and maximize profits in this down wave if market will go down. And this is where the next tip kicks in. The strategy is the last thing that you have to include in your trading plan. Do not jump in, do not follow anyone blindly, create your own plan and trade your own system. Now, if you don't have one, you must learn a good trading system or you have to create one. If you are jumping in and just clicking the trades, you are gambling and not trading. The difference between gambling and trading is risk management, money management, and building a probabilistic mindset. So, coming back to euro dollar, after this upwave, market has to give us a corrective structure downwards. So for all of you guys who are watching us for the first time, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do not forget to check our website. There are a lot of tips, guys, included on our website, and you will have an idea about the services that we provide. Pound dollar for this one, a lot of traders, guys, panicked with this upwave and bought pound dollar above this one. Why? Fear of missing out. While market will be here, a lot of retail traders will be thinking that this will skyrocket and they will miss this upwave. What they will do? They will jump in the buy. And this is exactly where they will lose. You have to know which breakouts you should trade and when market is only breaking tops for another down wave. Structurally, we knew that this will be the corrective structure for a drop. Market went up and it gave us this down wave. We hope all of you guys made profits in this down move. And those who trade pound dollar and made profits, give us a thumbs up. What next? For this one, we are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another drop. And this is what we'll wait for. Corrective structure upwards first and then another drop. So in this one, we are biased to the downside and we will only look for our sell setups. And some of us are already in from here and managing stops. And this is where the next tip kicks in. Because in Forex trading you are working with probabilities, you have to use stop loss, physical or logical. What is the difference between those two and how to manage them? It's a different story. And by the way, we are getting a lot of emails, guys, from traders asking us what is the difference between TR and YouTube sessions. Guys, TR is our private trading room. So those of you who checked our website and went through the course page to check the June course, you will see lifetime access to private Slack group and access to trading room. And let me explain you this. Besides discussing trades and structures in trading room, when we are there, the guidance that we provide is a next level guidance. So coming back to pound dollar, market went down and now it's about to give us a corrective structure upwards. Now, this down wave, guys, it might go all the way down to break this low and this low. Why? T will explain this in details on Sunday session. We are receiving a lot of emails on how Sunday sessions will look like. So if you go to our YouTube channel and you scroll down, here you can find an example on one of our Sunday sessions. And also, check these short videos to get an idea about how we cover the trades of the week. Aussie dollar for this one, this was one of the trades of the week for those who remember. We hope a lot of you guys who trade Aussie dollar get in this buy and made decent profits with this upwave. If you made profits trading Aussie dollar, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, especially for this one, from here we said once you get this up wave, you manage your trade because this can go higher. So market went up, it gave us another corrective structure, and it's going up again. After this up wave, market will go down. So those of you are in the buy or are buying Aussie dollar, you manage your trade. We are expecting more upside regarding this one, and after this up wave, another down move to follow. Alright? This is what we can see next for Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, for this one, we are expecting market to give us an up wave very soon. And this up wave, it will be part of a corrective structure. So this means up, correction, up again. And after that, we will see how the market will unfold and we will update you. The next tip, your job is not to be right. Your job is to make money out of the next move. If you are wondering how is that, it's all about risk to reward. Because if you have good risk to reward system, you might be wrong 50% of the times and right 50% of the times, but you can make huge profits even with this 50-50 winning rate. Is that clear, guys? Remember, what we do and what we teach here is wave analysis and structures. And after experimenting all the famous technical analysis systems and techniques over the past 10 years, only wave analysis, and if you learn it correctly, let me repeat this, if you learn it correctly, and you can do it by your own if you want, is powerful enough to make you a profitable trader. Alright? Why? Because wave analysis is analyzing the mass psychology of all market participants. And everything is plotted here on charts. New Zealand dollar, for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. Another corrective structure, and one more push up is coming. After this up wave, market has to give us a down move. Alright? No matter what will be the next structure, market has to give us a down move here. And this down wave, it might be corrective or impulsive. Do not forget, keep watching till the end, a lot of tips will be coming. Regarding the next wave for New Zealand dollar, up, another down wave. Pound yen, for this one, we knew a lot of you guys trade this pair. So if you remember this forecast from here to the upside and then another down wave, and you made profits out of these waves, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. And remember this, wave analysis and our concept is not Elliott waves. It's a combination of Elliott waves, Dow theory, price action, order blocks, smart money concept, and our findings. So, what next? For this one, we are expecting market to go up next. Any new low will be the potential last low within this structure. If we get our buy setup, we will go for the buy. Otherwise, we will leave it. Those who are selling from here, you take partial profits or you take all your profits, it's up to you to manage your trades. Alright? This was 250 pips and this was also more than 250 pips. USOIL, for this one, we hope all of you trade USOIL, made profits in this down wave. From here we said this will be going up to 63 levels, and last week we said we are expecting a down move. Market gave us this structure and it dropped. What next? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards for another drop. So all of you who are selling, you manage your trades. And we've got a lot of emails, guys, from people who took this sell, which was great. Now, those who are not in, you have to wait a corrective structure upwards before you go for the next sell setup. Alright? This is what next for USOIL. If we will not get a corrective structure here that we know, we will not go for the sell. And this forecast is for those who are not in yet. Gold, for this one, market went up last week, and we said here we've got a change of structure for more up. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. So for gold, we will be focusing on our sell setups. And this down wave, guys, it might be the last wave within the bigger structure. So those who are selling, you manage your profits. And those who are not in, every new high will be the potential last high within this structure. Alright? If market will make one more push up, we will look for our sell setups from the top. And do not think that this is entry and this is target. Alright? Those of you who are new, we share here our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on wave analysis and market structure. So use our forecast as an additional tool to your system. Remember this, in Forex trading, you have to choose a trade with higher probability chance of success. How to do that? You must have a good trading system that can give you an edge in the market. What is an edge? An edge is nothing more than odds tilted in your favor. Alright? After we do all the analysis, we come here to show you the edge and what might be the next wave. Coming back to gold, any new high within this structure, it might be the last high before the next down wave. 𝗘𝗃𝗿𝗆 for this one, this was also a great trade. And those of you who think that we do not trade news, this was covered in details by T on last Sunday session, how to trade CAD news and make profits out of them. And this was great. Market went up here and we've got this sharp down wave exactly after the news. And let me tell you one thing here, we've made profits with this up wave even before the news. All of this, guys, is based on wave analysis and market structures. Now, what next for this one? Every time market will give you a new low will be the potential last low before another up wave. This up move, guys, it might only to complete a bigger corrective structure. Next for $CAD, a small corrective structure downwards and then another up move. EUR for this one, go back, guys, and watch what we said last week on YouTube. So understanding market structures is very important for you to not only predict the next wave, you can predict 3 to 4 waves in advance sometimes. And remember, this is not drawing a line, this is understanding market structures. So, those who remember, last week we said correction, up, down, and then up again. What is this one? This is a structure and a pattern that we know and we are following. Some of our traders got in here and some of them, they sold this one. Personally, I didn't took this sell. Why? I was focusing on other trades. So I made profits with euro-dollar while other traders were making profits from other pairs. What is the story behind this one? Our goal is to make you an independent, successful trader. So once you learn how to trade correctly, you won't rely on anyone to take a decision. Because your success, guys, is about taking the right decision. And this is not only in Forex. But in Forex, taking the right decision is very important. And what I want all of you to do, especially those who are new, learn first and then trade. I'm not saying here to take our course. All what I'm trying to say, learn first. You can learn by your own, you can test things you already know, or you can even take other courses. All what I'm trying to say, learn how to trade correctly and then risk your money. EUR/GBP for this one, I hope all of you remember this forecast and made money out of this wave. Now, after this up wave, we said this will be going down, another up move. And this will be part of the corrective structure, and this was the wave. After this down move, market starts to go up again. And also, this was covered in details on Sunday session. And by the way, guys, thank you for your feedbacks and reviews regarding the Sunday sessions. All what we are trying to do is helping you making profits out of next waves. What next for EUR/GBP? After this up wave, we might be going down again for another structure. For now, this was the trade and this was another trade. Those who are not in, leave it and focus on other pairs. What are the other pairs that we'll be focusing on? This will be covered on Sunday session. New Zealand Swiss for this one, also if you remember, this was one of the trades of the week. And let me mention this, guys, we will never be right 100%, and no one can. Even for the trades of the week, some of them will work and some of them will not work. And that's why after we take big win or streak of wins, you have to take a break. This is very important in Forex trading. Alright? Anyway, this was a great trade to the upside. Market is correcting downwards for another up wave. So after the completion of this corrective structure, we are expecting New Zealand Swiss to shoot back up. Again and again, do not jump in. Forex trading is more complex than you think, and understanding how to trade correctly takes time. Let me repeat this. Understanding how to trade correctly takes time, and this requires patience. Pound odds for this one. I hope all of you guys remember our forecast step by step. We forecasted every single wave for this pair. And last week, this was one of the trades of the week. We said correction, another up wave, and from here we take profits because from 1.80, market can go back down. This is what we said exactly on Sunday session. So, those who made profits here, do not forget guys to give us a thumbs up. After this up wave, market dropped. And this down wave guys, it might be the start of the next corrective structure. So next for this one, a corrective move upwards. Those who made profits here, in this one, and this up wave, leave it for now and focus on other pairs. Alright? Remember, after streak of wins, take a break. And do not follow anyone blindly, even us. Alright? And guys, it's not only about profits. Because you are working with probabilities, you will get wins and you will get losses. This is something normal. My tip for you, don't be afraid from taking a loss. All what you have to understand is that you are working with probabilities. And once you risk small and you manage your losses, this will be your first step to build and grow your account. Alright? Do not over-risk and do not over-trade. And this especially for those who are new to Forex trading or for those who are in drawdown. Let me repeat this. This is for those who are new to Forex trading or are in a drawdown. Why? Because usually retail traders who are in a drawdown, they tend to risk more to break even faster. And this is the biggest mistake if you are in drawdown. If you are benefiting from our forecasts and our tips, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more and more every single week. Silver for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure. It went back up. We said last week a corrective structure, another up wave. So market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. Now, what next? Those who are in the buy, you manage your trade and let market unfold. Let me repeat this. Some of our traders get in here. Alright? So imagine if you are risking here 1 and you make here 10. This is what called 10 to 1 risk to reward. Anyway, this is not our topic. In this one and for silver, every new up here will be the potential last up before the next corrective structure. Alright? We are biased to the downside for a corrective structure that might take time. Bitcoin for this one, on Saturday, we said this might push to the upside one more time before it goes down to break this low, and even this one. Well, market dropped before this up wave. And this drop was on Saturday. On Sunday, T mentioned that this will correct upwards for another drop. Why? Because we were waiting this down wave. And we knew that if market will push to the upside, it will drop. And the drop comes even before this up wave. And Bitcoin lost almost 25% with this down move. What next? A corrective structure here for another drop. So those who took profits somewhere here, you can invest again anytime. At the moment, we can see correction, another drop. Once it comes guys to investment, it's always better to buy cheaper. Alright? So the more this one will drop, the more will be good for those who are not in. Now is the time for the bonus tip. In Forex trading, you have to focus on trade well, not trade often. Write down all the previous tips guys in this video, and those who are subscribing to Sunday sessions, we see all of you on Sunday. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.